Getting your email into US inbox is harder than getting a visa, passing customs, and surviving a small talk with a New Yorker. The last one might actually be true, but the inbox part, let's talk about what it actually takes in 2026. Hello everyone, my name is Lucas, product and deliverability expert here at Warmy.io, and you're watching the Warmy's YouTube channel. Sending cold emails into the US market is not the same as sending everywhere else. The volume is higher, inbox competition is denser. Also, the regulatory environment has specific requirements under canned spam that do not exist in other regions. And the major inbox providers running in the US market are all operating filtering systems that weigh sender behavior with more data behind them than most teams account for. Now, for global sales teams, SDRs, and agencies selling to American businesses, that gap between clean authentication and confirmed inbox placement is exactly where campaigns disappear. Now, to stay current on the tactics that consistently protect inbox placement in the markets where your pipeline actually lives, like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because that is how this keeps reaching you. The US market rewards senders who treat deliverability as an operational layer rather than a one-time setup. 6 things separate the teams landing in inboxes from the ones explaining why open rates dropped. Authentication is the floor, not the ceiling. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC tell US inbox providers that you are who you claim to be. Without them, you are disqualified before the content is even evaluated. Canned spam compliance sits alongside it. Promotional email must identify themselves as such. That means you should include a valid physical address and give recipients a working unsubscribe link. Legal requirements, not best practices. Mobile formatting matters more here than most global senders expect. The majority of US recipients are reading their emails on a device where poor formatting raises friction, reduces engagement, and damages placement over time. Responsive design and a CTA above the phone are baseline. Subject lines carry disproportionate weight. 47% of recipients decide whether to open based on the subject line alone. And the US market is particularly sensitive to spam trigger language. Words like free or urgent feed the filter signals that accumulate against your domain. Between 40 and 50 characters, personalized where possible. Urgency language removed. Timing is a lever cross market. Senders consistently miscalibrate. The research consensus points to 8 to 10 a.m. Thursday leading the week. If you are sending from outside the US, Eastern Time covers roughly half the population and is the most practical reference point. Blacklist hygiene is not reactive in a market like this. Spamhaus, Sorbs, and Barracuda all operate systems US inbox providers query actively. A listing can suppress your entire domain before a campaign even begins. So monitoring continuously and warming new domains before they touch volume sending keeps you off those lists rather than negotiating removal. Warmy's free deliverability test gives you a real-time read on where your domain stands across Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo. Before you even think on sending into the US market, it surfaces inbox versus spam placement, sender reputation status, and whether your authentication is passing at the provider level. Warmy's email warm-up beats the sending history that US inbox providers use to decide whether your domain belongs in the inbox. And the seed list generates the genuine engagement signals that protect placement once you are there. Therefore, before any major US send, running a placement test for Warmy is the step that tells you whether the infrastructure is actually ready, rather than finding out after the campaign that something was wrong. You can run a free deliverability test through the link you find in the description below, so you can see exactly where your domain lands across every major US inbox provider before your next send. And if this was useful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay ahead of every deliverability change that affects how your emails performs in a market that matters most for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.